Okay, Assalamualaikum. I have several students asking me about today's practical. So I'm going to go through with you exercise 1. I know this is going to be hard because bioinformatics will be covered in the coming week. So you haven't we haven't learned this in class. So it's more on learning it yourself and to do this bioinformatics lab. So I know it's a steep curve for you, but I'm sure you can do it with the aid of your group. Okay, so let's start with the first exercise, retrieving sequence data from entries. So question 1, it said retrieve all mitochondrial nucleotide sequence and the gene bank details of the organism Indian Monjak using entrace. Okay, so you need to go to the first step to see what is entrace. So you need to read up on this theory part in order for you to understand a little bit of what you want to do and what website or server that you want to use. So here is the entrace search engine. So you can click on the link there. So what is Indian Monjak? So I don't know it myself, so I Google it. So it's actually an Indian deer or barking deer, which is native to South and Southeast Asia. So why it's called the barking deer? Because if it is frightened, then it can call out a sound like barking. So it's called barking deer. Interesting, eh? Okay, so you have opened the NCBI or entrace search engine. So you just search here Indian Monjak. Then you click on search. Okay, here said it found results in 17 databases. So this is the genome assembly. Okay, so we found out that Muntiacus Monjak, and then here it said it found results in 17 databases. So what database that we want to see? We want to see the mitochondrial part of it. So mitochondria is part of the nucleotide sequence. So you can click on nucleotide. And then if you look at this, I've actually pressed tick here for mitochondria. So we have activated mitochondria filters here. So we've got 78 items here. So you can see that the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 5 have a similar sequence, 876 space pair of linear DNA sequence. Okay, so what I want you to do is print this page for your results output. Okay, so when I say one A4 page, this is what I want to see. Okay, the first page. So if we save this, we have 4 pages of the entire result. Okay, so just save the PDF, and then let's go to this one. See, saved this just now, but I'll do another one just to show you. Let's see this one. Okay, Indian Munjak tadi. Tambat sikit. There you go. I want to show you this so you know what result that you need to show me. Okay, so you can give one page of your result. So I want to see that you can find you can retrieve mitochondrial data on Indian Munjak. So I need to see this filter activated and all the results here show mitochondrial. Okay, this is one part. And then what else that it wants? This one, the gene bank details. Okay, what is the gene bank detail? So for each of your results, you have the gene bank, FASTA graphics offset. So this is the gene bank detail. So it's basically shows all these details here. Locus, definition, accession, organism, the references, and this has been published in Conservation Genetics Journal, and then at the end it gives you the nucleotide sequence. Okay, so this one you need to print as well. Print this, save as PDF. Okay, again the first page I want to see. Okay. Alright, so the first page you need to put in the in your result. Yeah. Okay, the second one, retrieve the protein sequence of amylase which is present in mitochondria using Entrez search engine. Find the total number of hits. Obtain the information regarding amylase from GenBank. Okay, so this is not related with the Indian Munjak. So you can go back to NCBI. Okay, all the databases. So you put amylase. So press enter. Okay, tadi present in mitochondria. Okay. So let's go to genome. See what is this. Is it what I want? Okay, so this is from the genome. Let's try going back and see nucleotide. Okay, this one have mitochondrial filters activated. Okay, we have this one type of amylase which it exists in mitochondria. Okay, so Samoa leonensis. It's from organism of Samoa leonensis. Okay, so it has all this information here, so you can just again print this, save as PDF, and then you can give me your result output, yeah, for this. Okay, you can just give me the first page. That'll be good, yeah. All right, save. Okay, so the filters here actually stays if I didn't put clear all, so it basically helps me do the second question just now. Okay, find the total number of hits. So here, if we put the filter of mitochondria, we actually have one. Hit for mitochondrial amylase. Which is interesting, yeah? Not the only one. Okay. Obtain the information regarding amylase from GenBank. So this has, unfortunately, fortunately, it just goes to GenBank. So I have the answers already. Okay. Next one. Find all the entries available for Drosophila melanogaster in the Life Science search engine entry. Retrieve the nucleotide and protein FASTA sequence for the above search. Okay, so let me just clear the filter. And then, okay, so when you clear the filter for mitochondria, look how much hits you get. So many, yeah? So actually, there is only one hit for mitochondria. Interesting, yeah? Okay, so let's go back to the front page of the entry in CBI. So let's go search for Drosophila melanogaster. Okay. Save here, Life Science search engine. I think this is the one. Okay, all databases. Okay, Drosophila melanogaster. Okay, so we found results in 31 databases, and then said here find all the entries available. Okay, so probably this first page, you can print this here. Press print and then save as PDF to get the how many entries available for Drosophila melanogaster. And then to retrieve the nucleotide and protein FASTA sequence, you can go to nucleotide for the nucleotide sequence, and then you can go to protein to get your protein FASTA sequence. Okay, or you can press this nucleotide, because there are so many, you can just give me one example, yeah? So many here, right? So just press 1. Okay, and then here you get the nucleotide